Chute number 2. This is a bad idea. Oh no. Oh. Vaughn, I'm stuck.
Alright, good morning everybody, good morning. It's day 2 of our Utah ski trip, and I just picked up Savon last night from the airport. But we got so lucky, you guys, because this Airbnb is so nice. It's in a newer development here in South Jordan, and we walked in and I was actually so surprised at how nice the whole Airbnb was. But before we get this day started and go skiing for you guys, there's one thing we always need. Coffee.
Gang, so Savon and I just made it up to Brighton Ski Resort. Parking lot right now is pretty packed, and for good reason, because the last couple of days we've been looking at the weather and it was supposed to be like partly sunny, partly cloudy for the day with no snowstorms in the weather pretty much at all until tomorrow. Well, that is not the case. It is snowing right now, and it's looking like it's probably going to be a little bit of a sleeper pow day, or at least a couple freshies out there waiting for us. But either way, gonna throw our stuff on, grab our gear, and make our way up to one of the ski lifts, grab our gear. Let's go. All right, gang. Back up here at Brighton with the lady. Like I was saying, forecast pretty much showed partly sunny for the whole day, leading up to a couple days ago, but last night that completely changed. Visibility is pretty low, but just excited to be back here. Lady's first day, like I was saying, and she's already ripping it up. We're gonna start off the Millie Express today, and just at the resort, because over by Crest and the Great Western Express there was a big line of people, so there wasn't too many people over here, so we thought, heck, just come over here, maybe do this for a warm-up this morning. Snow's pretty good though. You definitely tell they got an inch or two overnight. It's such a fun little resort. Absolutely love coming up here. And honestly, I know I skied at Solitude just once yesterday, but I feel like I still like Brighton a little bit more and more each time I come up here. This looks good. Ooh, ooh, ooh! It's because it is. Back down to the base of Millie. Let's have us another Utah day, guys.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like a stakeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes, and you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down. Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Yeah, you like it. The way you like it. Oh, yeah, you like it. The way you like it now. Yeah, you like it. The way you like it. Oh, so good, so fresh. Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown.
So Savon and I just did a couple runs off the Millie Express. and waited for some of the lines to die down over at Crest and Great Western. Plus our friends also just arrived from the house, so we're gonna go meet up with them, I believe, over at one of the main lifts. But all in all, great morning. Although I did have not the greatest experience with the chute over on the Millie side. Chute number 2. This is a bad idea. Chute number 2 is a little too much for Cory. Oh no. Oh, Vaughn, I'm stuck. But we don't need to talk about that anymore. We all know what happened there. That thing that goes well unsaid with my chute abilities or advanced skiing skills, which are pretty much 0. Hey, my brake works. I just hit a bump. Like I came out of the woods and I hit a mogul and I jumped, and then I just like hit it too hard going down, and it just popped off. Look at that. That's why you invest in brakes. Okay, let's go back to it. Couple runs off Crest now in the books, and I think Savannah's having a blast out here, which I'm super pumped for because, like I said before, it's her first time out here skiing in Utah and Brighton in general, so she's absolutely loving it. One other thing I actually did to my skis last week was put new brakes on. I had a pretty hard fall last week. Thank God that was an easy fall, and it made me realize that I've actually never even fallen out of these bindings. So I took them to a ski shop next to my house. They got me different brakes and they reset my dins, and I actually just fell out of these skis just a little bit ago for the first time binding. So saved my ACL a little bit of pain, I think, here, but we're gonna jump back on. I think we met up with our crew. Let's keep at it. Stopped at the main lodge here at Brighton. Had an awesome morning so far, and it's actually starting to snow pretty good outside. We're gonna take in some time here, eat a couple snacks, try to refuel, and then go back out for a couple more turns. But all in all, having an awesome day. So after a little lunch break, we made it back outside, and it's starting to snow pretty good now. But we're gonna go actually and traverse over to the other side of these lifts over here, making our way over to the Great Western Express. Let's keep having a day, you guys.
So Savannah and I just got back to the house. I think the group is gonna meet up in a little bit here, and we're gonna enjoy some food and dinner. Brighton is just such a special place here in Utah, and I don't know what it is, but like it's like one of the smallest resorts out here, but it's honestly one of my favorites. I feel like I just like learned something more about the resort that I hadn't before, and it just makes riding there so much fun. We're gonna get out of these ski clothes, probably hit the hot tub for a little bit, and then make some dinner. Super pumped, super excited about tomorrow. We're gonna head back to Snowbird. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you oot in a boot. See you guys in the next one.